And our live team coverage continues with Christina Mendez. She's at City School headquarters with more on COVID in the classroom. Christina.
Yeah, that shortage extends beyond teachers. We're talking about custodians, bus drivers, and administrators. One president of a union I spoke with representing teachers across our state is calling for the governor to take education and make it more of a priority as those COVID cases soar.
We need some grace.
Jane Arukwe has spent the last 5 years as a school teacher in Baltimore City.
Especially this last year, it's just been really emotional, I think. It's been really hard just being a teacher and having to implement the things that the district wants us to do, but also understanding that with COVID, like, we're working with little humans in front of us.
The Maryland State Education Association President Cheryl Boast says the expectations for teachers remains the same, but the workload has become bigger.
They're being asked to do contact tracing, enforce mask wearing, be safe themselves, quarantine, try to do virtual learning, and in some places in-person learning. So the demands have grown, and we're seeing more and more people leaving.
WJZ first told you in September of the teacher shortage. Boast says a safe work environment and resources could be key in strengthening the workforce.
I would like to see employees be mandated to either be vaccinated or be tested.
Plus better pay. Maryland's multi-billion-dollar education bill could increase starting salaries eventually to $60,000 a year.
We see people not coming into the profession because our pay still remains about 80 cents to the dollar of what other people are getting.
This month, Baltimore City schools will now require staff to test weekly regardless of vaccination status. With consent, students in all grades can test for COVID-19 before schools reopen. But some parents don't want this to be optional.
My son is sick, my baby's sick, my mom, everybody's sick now. So I don't want my son come back to the school right now because, you know, the time is really hard for everybody.
While everyone works through constant changes, Arukwe says consistency comes in the form of showing up.
Teaching is hard work. Like, you have to really be passionate about it, and I think now more than ever, you have to truly be in it for the students.
The Maryland Department of Health recommends shifting to online learning when 5% or more of staff, students, and teachers end up testing positive within a 14-day window. I'm reporting live from Baltimore. I'm Christina Mendez for WJZ.